Hi everybody, welcome to another video, and today we're doing an unboxing of a fishing kit. It is a mini fishing tackle box, and the reason I got this is because I am putting yet another kit together, and this is going to be part of that kit. Okay, this is a generic off-the-wall, off-brand sort of thing. No name brand kind of thing. I bought this off of Amazon. Made in China. And as you watch this video, if you're interested in taking a closer look at it, I will leave a link in the description below, so you can check it out for yourself, get all the pricing and everything. This is a lanyard that comes with this plastic case. Take a real good look, and it does have a brand name, Topfort. Okay, it's the fishing accessory kit, 180 pieces, 87 pieces, suitable for all sorts of fishing conditions. All right, basically a little mini tackle box. Okay, that's going into a kit. Here's the lanyard hole for the lanyard. Okay, let's get her open and take a look inside, and voila. Okay, and I guess you open it. They got individual doors. Okay, to keep everything organized. Okay, hooks, sinkers, leads, almost everything that you need to go fishing. All you need is a fishing pole and some fishing line. Yeah, comes even with some fake bait. Take a real good look. You can see through, you can see what's in there. You see through lids, and it closes up like that. Okay, for size reference, this is a multi-tool. Pretty small, but as you can see, it's pretty comprehensive. Yeah, so this would make a great thing for a survival kit, a survival pouch, or a survival bag. But I'm putting together something very new, or not very new, but kind of like a new idea. Well, at least for me anyway. And I'm putting together a kit. I don't want to reveal the name of it yet, because I don't want to get too far ahead of myself. But this is going into the kit. And if you are looking for a decent mini tackle box, this looks like this looks like everything you need, pretty much. All right, go check it out. It's on Amazon. The link is in the description below. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. See you on the next one.